Let's be honest, your phone's speakers just don't cut it for sharing music with friends, enjoying tunes by the pool, or setting the vibe at a picnic. Bluetooth speakers literally let you bring your sound wherever you go. You might think everyone already has a Bluetooth speaker, and honestly, many do. However, some people still haven't jumped on the Bluetooth speaker bandwagon. और इसके 3 रीजंस हो सकते हैं. या तो वो लोग ब्लूटूथ स्पीकर्स को फ्रीक्वेंटली यूज़ नहीं करते, या वो एक महंगा ब्लूटूथ स्पीकर नहीं खरीदना चाहते, या फिर उनको एक बढ़िया सस्ता स्पीकर मिल ही नहीं रहा. बट एक ब्लूटूथ स्पीकर है जो इन तीनों प्रॉब्लम्स का सल्यूशन है. द Philips TAS1209 ब्लूटूथ स्पीकर. ये उनके लिए है जो चाहते हैं एक सस्ता, बढ़िया और टिकाऊ प्रोडक्ट. Don't let its size fool you. It gets a passive radiator to deliver a subtle bass and rich audio. Whether you are in garden sipping the evening tea, on a walk in the night, or chilling at the beach, your music will sound clear and full. अब जब आप chill कर रहे हो, you want to stay present and not be glued to your phone, yet still remain instantly available for important calls. This speaker is super handy for all the calling. With just the touch of a button, you can pause your music and take an incoming call via a built-in microphone. This little speaker is built for outdoors. With an IP-Expo splash and sweat resistant rating, it can handle splashes from rain or sweat with ease. If you want to elevate your audio experience, you can easily pair two identical Philips TAS1209 speakers for stereo sound. These reliable speakers won't quit on you. A full charge gives you up to 12 hours of continuous playtime. Other features include automatic power off to save battery, automatic pairing for easy setup, and simple volume controls. ये स्पीकर लॉन्च हुआ था 1700 रुपये का, बट अब ये अवेलेबल है सिर्फ 1000 रुपये में. Let us be clear, this speaker won't blow you away with its bombastic sound. Instead, it offers a subtle, balanced output that's perfect for filling a room when you are relaxing without ever interfering with your thoughts. You also get the trust and reliability of Philips, combined with good construction and portability. This makes it a strong contender for your ideal audio companion. Are you buying it? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel.